Gampopa, 1079 to 1153. This great teacher was the chief disciple of Milarepa and was a physician. When his wife died, he renounced his household life and became a strictly disciplined monk and meditator. There was in him no more attachment to material things or worldly activities. He studied the teaching of the Gradual Path to Enlightenment of the Kadampa tradition from Geshe Nyugrumpa, Chagripa, and others. And he studied Mahamudra and the Six Dharmas of Naropa from Milarepa. He trained himself and others by uniting both of these teaching traditions together. At the age of 75, he didn't have any sickness, but seemed weak. When a disciple asked, "How is your health?" he just sat up straight and gazing directly into the sky said, "Do you understand? In the thoughts there is nothing but vividness?" "I do." With that he passed away. That night the sky remained filled with colorful rainbow lights. In the sky in front of Gampopa Monastery everyone witnessed 108 stupas, so beautiful and shining with rays of light, as if they were made of crystal. People also heard the sounds of a big drum being beaten. Different people experienced different visions, lights of various designs, and clouds of dakinis,